Labor Day. Fishing madness.
Ooh, I got a fish. I think I do. I didn't even feel him bite. It's so weird. Definitely a fish. What is it? Oh, it's one of these guys. I didn't even feel him bite. Was that a fish right there that I heard?
Yeah, I think it's around the corner or something.
I'm on, something big.
Ooh. Let's go. Are you using the craw?
Yeah. Oh!
That was a big boy, dude.
Oh!
Fuck.
No, I got it.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Oh, yeah, he's pissed.
Need help?
No.
Hey. Yeah.
Got the skunk out of the way. This guy's strong.
Yeah, turn him around. Damn, that's a nice one, dude.
Oh, I'm on too.
Hey. All right, go jump. Yeah, there you go. Grab him down.
Mine's definitely small. It's all right.
Oh, this one's bigger. Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Cheers.
Ooh, cheers, brother.
Yours is bigger than mine.
A little bit. Hell yeah.
Split shot like you have.
Yeah.
Come on.
You on?
Yep. Not too big a one, but. Oh shit. Oh, he's fighting him to get under the boat.
Oh. That's decent. Oh,
shit. Oh,
that's the biggest
shit.
one today, I think.
That's actually big.
Yeah.
That's a fucking fat one, dude.
Yes, sir.
That's a big one. Let's get it. Well, here's another one I got. My phone went off before I got it, but this guy got it for me. We'll play the video right now. Woo! I think I got that. Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, just like a jig, like you said.
Yep, I'm on.
You're on?
Yep. Oh, this thing's big. Oh,
Come on.
yeah. What was that? That thing was huge. Oh my God. That was sick. I got that.